In the last tutorial, we worked in part of the muzzle into the head for this monkey Lovey. In this tutorial, we're going to crochet round 11 of the head and work in part of the face patch, which is that piece behind the eyes. The written instructions should place this face patch centered on the face, but if it doesn't, I'm going to show you how to get that preferred position.
Let's pretend we're looking down at your project where this is the head, this is the muzzle we previously worked in, and this is your starting point for round 11. We're going to use 5 stitches to work in the face patch, and you want those 5 stitches to be centered on the face. The number of stitches between the starting point and where you want the face patch to be could vary from what I have in the written pattern. For me, that space was 26 single crochets, but it may be more or less for you. I recommend using stitch markers to indicate those 5 stitches where you want the face patch to be attached and where it looks like it's centered on the face.
You could skip this all together and just sew that face patch on after you finish crocheting the head. If you choose to do that, just make sure you sew the bottom piece of the face patch into round 11 and then sew all the way around. Okay, let's jump ahead and actually work that face patch in.
Line up the marked stitch on the face patch with the next stitch on the head. Make sure the right side of the face patch is against your work, so you're looking at the wrong side. Now insert your hook through the marked stitch on the face patch and the next stitch on the head and single crochet those together. Working through both pieces, single crochet through the next 4 stitches. That should give you a total of 5 single crochets used to join the face patch to the head. Once you're done, work back onto the head only and single crochet into each of the remaining stitches, which should give you a total of 54 stitches for round 11.
As you continue crocheting the last few rounds of the head, parts of that face patch might get in your way, but just fold them over and keep going. I hope you were able to get the preferred position of this face patch into the head, or at least get pretty close. When you're looking at your work, the bottom peaks of that face patch should lay nicely near round 7 of the head. That's going to be the same area where you joined in the muzzle. Feel free to send me an email if you have any questions about this piece of the pattern. And if you haven't purchased the pattern already, I'll leave a link in the description when it becomes available. Thanks for crocheting with me today, and thanks for watching.